Hi, this is Heather from heartfullyheather.com, and today I want to share with you a DIY chore chart that you can make at home for only 20 bucks.
This DIY tin plaque chore chart was easy and inexpensive to make. I'll break down the cost for you. I spent a total of $13.89 buying the following: 12.7 millimeter button magnets, 50 count, for $3.24. They were half off. Now, I didn't need 50 magnets, but sometimes you end up with more than you need. I bought 0.5-inch magnetic tape for $2.19, puffy sports stickers for $2.49, clothespins for $3.99. I only needed two, but the others will serve a purpose later on. The wooden letters were 99 cents each, and I bought two of them. I spent a total of $5.94 at Walmart for buying two scallop tin wall plaques for $2.97 each. The total cost of this project came in at $19.83.
Summer has come and gone and it's kind of been crazy, right? Kids are not usually on a schedule, so it's really important to get them back on a schedule before school starts. And this is a really easy and fun way to do it, and it's very inexpensive. I got these metal slates at Walmart for $2.97, and it comes with a cord attached to it so you can hang it right on the wall. So there's no measuring or the wall to try to figure out how to put it up. And I have a laminator, which I'll show you in this post. I love to laminate things. So I used craftychicks.com template to help create this chore chart. And I added my own chores for my kids to do right here. Okay, and then I laminated this thing. And trust me, once you buy a laminator, I bought one off of Amazon for 20 bucks. Once you use it, you will find so many things to use it for. And I've created a front and back here. And this is for the summertime. And I'm going to change this for the school year. The first one says, make bed, read for 20 minutes in the morning, feed Belle, our cat, clean up breakfast dishes, brush teeth. CraftyChicks.com does a template and it's blank. And I'll show you how to add your own text to it, and then you can print it out.
Open a Word document and insert the JPEG as a picture. After inserting the picture, right-click on Layout Options and select the option to use the image behind text, and select the radio box to fix the position on the page. After you've done this, select Layout on the menu bar on the top, then Margins, then select Narrow. Once you've done this, go to Format on your menu bar, select Text Box, then select the style you'd like to use. Move your text box to a ribbon area and change the text in the box. Repeat adding text boxes to each ribbon area.
And if you don't have a laminator, you can glue this piece of paper to like cardstock, and then you use magnets to put it on here. So what I did was I bought this, and then I went to Michael's and I got these little tiny button magnets, okay? Now they come just plain, and we got these little stickers, and we put these stickers on them. My son, Jaden, helped me pick them out. Clothespins that we used magnetic tape, and we put this on the back of it so that you can hang your chore chart. And now I modified this template a little bit because I have more chores for my kids than maybe most people do. So I wanted to create a front and back so that you could flip it over. The original template from craftychicks.com doesn't have a front and back, and it's about the size of an 8x10 piece of paper. So I modified it to fit this kind of a square aluminum plaque. And then they can put, after they've done the chore, they can move it from the to-do list to the done side. And my kids have had fun the last few days moving their magnets over. And just to personalize, if you have more than one kid, you can either write their name on it, but I decided to get one of these little wooden letters for 99 cents at Michael's, and it just kind of helps keep it in place, and it's just really easy to use. I just put one of those tape magnets on the back, and there you go. And then you can put a different magnet initial for each kid. And since this already has the ability to hang, this was so easy, and it's cute, and it can go in your command center. Kind of keeps your kids on task, and you can see it's a visual representation of what the expectations are and what they need to be accomplishing. And so far, my kids love it. And I recommend finding some sort of system that helps your family with chores. And you can find links to the products and Crafty Chicks printable on the blog post or in the YouTube video. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please subscribe. Thank you.